Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining me here outside today. I'm out here today because it's better light than it is inside my house. And I'm super excited because I got today from Makiage makeup in New York that says minimalism is dead. I got this badass foundation from Makiage. Now, the way I found out about this was I saw an ad online about if you wanted to try a makeup brand that they had launched. And of course, I always want to try a makeup brand. So I signed up and I didn't know what the makeup brand was or anything. And I got a little tester. I got a little tester of this makeup and I tested it to see if the color was a good match for my skin. And the color that I chose was a great match for my skin. And so I ended up getting a gift certificate. So I bought the makeup with the gift certificate. So anyway, this is what I got. How cool is that? It's from Makiage in New York. Now, all the girls on the influencers, on the Instagrams and all that, they use this product. So I was interested to know because mature skin's a lot different. And I usually use a mineral makeup, a dry powder mineral makeup, because it has maximum coverage and maximum sheerness, right? So let me show you this. This is why I like this product. Makiage New York, right? And then you open it up and look how pretty the packaging is. Look how pretty the packaging is. So you got all this, and then you got your little product. Your little Makiage product. You turn it around. Okay? So check it out. Check it out. Comes in this little box, and it opens like this. Cool little box. Hold on. So the box opens like this. Really great packaging. Makes you feel special. And look at this. Wow. Wow. That's a lot of product for $40. That's a lot of product for $40. This is number 40. Woke up like this. Looks like 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. That's a lot of product for $40. And the thing is, this makeup goes a long way. Let me show you. So what I got here is I got a little makeup that I've already put together. Or put in a little tub, a little tiny tub. And I want to show you the coverage on this makeup. You're going to be really, really, really amazed. So I'm just going to use a little bit. And I'm not even going to put it all on my entire face. I'm just going to put it on part of my face. And I want you to be able to see, how sheer this coverage is, yet how covering this coverage is. It's pretty amazing. And you only have to use a tiny, tiny bit. And you use a brush or a sponge. And you just work it around. I mean, this is some sheer coverage. You can still see a little bit of my blush, of my natural blush. I don't know if you can tell, but I've just done half of my face, and I know I've got a breakout. What do you think? Pretty impressive coverage. It's perfect color. Perfect color. It's like it takes all the bad stuff out of your skin and leaves all the good stuff. So you don't look like you have just like mono face. Isn't that cool? So this side has no makeup on it. This side has the Makiage on it. I hope the color is actually really good. I don't know if you can tell in this light, but I mean, it blends perfectly into my neck. Just blends perfectly. You can't really even tell where it stops or where it begins. Can you see the difference? I really like this stuff. I really like this stuff. So this is, let me get it out. This is Il Makiage. Il Makiage. So be sure and go to Il Makiage, New York, and get your box of makeup. It comes with a 14-day free to try guarantee. So if you order the makeup, whatever makeup you like, if you order the makeup and you have 14 days to decide if you like the shade, if you like the texture, if it works for you. And if you like it, then you keep it. If you don't like it, you have 14 days to return it. How cool is that? Anyway, I love this. I love it, love it, love it. Il Makiage. And it's great on mature skin. Just saying. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hope you have fun. And check out ilmakiage.com. Talk soon. Bye for now.